We are now in our oldest test facility, the double climatic chambers, where now we are standing in a room which has a size equivalent of a large classroom. And next door, behind this wall, we have possibility for creating various outdoor climates. And the wall here is similar to an external wall, and we have mounted an Airmaster unit in natural circumstances on that wall. And this is in fact our newest unit, the AMX. And what's going on with this unit right now in reality is that we're making various safety tests for the CE labeling and for the technical dossier. But what I want to do right now is demonstrate a typical test we would do, which is to visualize the airflow. The air enters into the room with relatively high velocity, and it will stick to the ceiling, you can say, due to something called the Coanda effect, and carry all the way along the ceiling, all the way to the far end of the room. So we see the air basically sticks to the ceiling. It is entraining room air all along its path, and so velocities are constantly diminished. And here at the far end of the room we have very low velocities, and the air will eventually end up in the bottom of the room and move backwards and be re-entrained into the jet. So we will have a circulating movement in the room, around and around, creating what we call mixing ventilation, which is what we're trying to accomplish here, where we have very, let's say, equal conditions of temperature and atmospheric conditions all through the room.